Good afternoon and welcome to the Lamontier and East 102nd Street Water Main Replacement Project meeting. Thank you for joining us. A recording of this meeting will be available at the Cleveland Water YouTube channel after our live broadcast. We will accept questions related to this project in the chat at the close of the presentation. It's now my pleasure to introduce the project manager for the Lamontier and East 102nd Street Water Main Replacement Project meeting, Martin Reese.
Thank you. You can go to the next slide. Okay, our agenda, we'll have the opening remarks. We do a project description. We'll talk about the traffic, parking, and contact information. And then we have questions and comments and closing remarks. Okay, Lamontier Avenue, we have a total project cost of $964,210. The contractor is going to be Lamontier Enterprises Incorporated. The construction is slated to begin actually today, and the end date is October of 22nd of this year. Each 102nd Street, the total project cost is $535,405. Lamontier Enterprises contractor. Construction begin date is slated for today, and then construction end date is October 22nd, 2024. Here you see a map of for East 102nd and also Lamontier. That gives you an idea of the scope of the project. Basically, the project is going to include Lamontier Avenue going from East 102nd Street to Martin Luther King Jr. Drive. We're installing 1,295 feet of new 8-inch water main. East 102nd Street goes from Mount Auburn to Lamontier Avenue. We're installing 700 linear feet of new 8-inch water main. It's going to include all new service connections, all new fire hydrants, and the street's going to be restored afterwards. Discuss traffic, parking, and contact information. The contractor typical work hours are from 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. The city ordinance does allow for the contractor to work until 7 p.m. under special circumstances. Traffic will be maintained while construction is underway. Residents will be notified in advance of any changes. The water service and fire protection will be maintained throughout the project, and there will be a temporary service connections will be maintained for East 102nd Street. Once again, for this project, I'm project manager. See my contact information. Mike Anzalone will be our construction inspector. He'll be on site on a daily basis. The contact information for the contractor would be Lamontier Enterprises. Frank Lamontier is the main contact. There's an after hours emergency line for the contractor and also the Cleveland Water emergency line. Are there any questions?
I'm not seeing any questions in the chat, so that will conclude our meeting. I'm going to again thank you for joining us and remind you that a recording will be available at Cleveland Water's official YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice evening.
Thank you.